Crude oil and natural gas both have shown a bullish intent and now move towards 67 and 3.56 levels here. Can we expect further rise here in oil prices and gas prices? Or we are done with the highs as these are trading at a critical resistance? We can expect a reversal. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly charts after retracing towards the 20 period, now trying to bounce back. It is pretty important for it to break 67, and once it stays above 67, 67.2, the next targets are directly towards 68 levels here. Yes, there is a possibility once it trades beyond 67, 67.2, just stay bullish. See, it has taken a very good support from the 20 period moving average, and as we have discussed earlier in the day, only selling entry was below 66. It has failed to trade below, lower, and bouncing back. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bullish. Stochastic rising. MACD though have crossed over for a sell, now trying to converge. Let's wait for a crossover. See, it is still got room on the upside for a rise. RSI rising, supportive for further bullishness. Look at 2-hour charts. See the rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. Now see, it is escalating here. Yes, the acceleration is seen here. Moving averages have also crossed over, which is a supportive sign. So at least till towards it stays above 66 today. Do not treat this as bearish. It is trying to bounce back. Just let it stay beyond 67 and more bullishness to follow. Stochastic rising here, the MACD rising, RSI is also rising. Coming to 3-hour on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See the rise. It was outside Bollinger Bands. It is retraced, taking the support, now trying to deliver a breakout. So now a breakout beyond 67 should confirm the next move here. It could be potentially bigger move than what we had seen yesterday, because see this rise, then the consolidation, then the bigger rise, then the consolidation, and now if it breaks out, we can see a further bigger move, which could take it all the way towards 68. Let's wait for this. Moving averages are convergent here, not yet crossed over. Stochastic looking down, though it is a bearish sign. Look at MACD, which is looking upwards consistently and rising. RSI is rising as well. Signs are still supportive for further rise. Look at the 2-hour charts. Similar observation, just waiting for a breakout here. In fact, if you see it is staying beyond 66.80, you can take a buy and expect it to rise more. Right now, I can see a little hurdle here. Just let it break this hurdle and we can see more bullishness to follow. The moving averages have started to converge, which is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic at top, MACD rising, RSI rising. Signs are supportive here for further rise. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, look, it is stabilized here. With that, price is taking the support from 64. Now we are seeing a rise. Now it is pretty important for oil to trade beyond the 20 period moving average, which means it has to stay now above 67. And once it stays above 67, there will be a greater pull on the upside. The next milestone is going to be towards 68 and 68.8. There is a possibility that it can show you a bigger candle than yesterday. And hence, once you see it is staying beyond 66.8, you can buy for 67.2 and then 68 zone as the next target. Beyond that, 68.8 should arrive. Stochastic rising. The MACD here after trading bearish now trying to converge. The RSI is rising. So yes, beyond 66.8 today, you can take a buy. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 66.80, initiate a buy, expect 67.2, 67.8, 68 the next, and then beyond 68, 68.6, 68.8 the third. Beyond this, we can wait for $70 levels very, very soon, if not today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry for or at 66.2 levels. If you see oil trading below 66.2 and 66, we can stay with the sells. Now this complete zone 66.2, 66 and 65.8 should offer a very good support, and only if oil trades below 65.8, you can expect bearishness towards 65.4 and 65, below which more bearishness should follow, which could take it in fact towards 64 again. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. And before we proceed to natural gas, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch starting middle of July as be a part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And join the trusted partner and enjoy your trading experience. Look at the hourly charts on net gas. Rise retracement, rise again. Moving average is crossing over here. It's a good supportive sign for the bulls. Where are the highs for this? The highs are now aiming towards 3.6. So yes, if it stays beyond 3.56, 3.6 is the next target. Remember, these are crucial levels for natural gas to break. Once it trades beyond 3.6, more bullishness should follow, and the targets are going to be towards 3.7, 3.72. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, looking upwards, RSI rising. Still supportive sign for the bulls. Look at 2-hour charts. Preceding candle creating a tail, it is trying to break out. Staying beyond 3.56, you can expect a good rise towards 3.6. Beyond 3.6, more bullishness to follow here, which is going to take it all the way towards 3.66, 3.72. Stochastic overbought slightly. The MACD is looking upwards, staying bullish. The RSI is also supportive for further rise. Look at 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, notice it is consolidated enough here. It has found its support now at 3.48 zone. Now with the support at 3.48, it is trying to rise. So now this is the only level below which you can expect slight bearishness. So I will only recommend you to sell if you see natural gas trading below 3.48. As long as 3.48 is not breached, do not treat this as bearish. See what is happening? Rise retracement, and it is rising again. There is a possibility of a move towards 3.66 here. Let's wait for this. The storage data today should drive further volatility. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish rising, RSI rising as well. On the 4-hour charts, when you see on the 4-hour charts, notice, look at this candle, then the candles of consolidation, and then the breakout. Now there are a couple of ways. Let it break out further. I'll recommend you, once you see natural gas trading beyond 3.565, that is the lower price about 3.565, stay bullish for 3.6, and 3.6 is a very crucial zone for natural gas to break. Once it trades beyond 3.6, expect 3.66, 3.7, and that should confirm a recovery all the way towards 3.7, 3.72 zone. There is a possibility to it. Right now, a very good support is created at 3.48, only below which you can expect bearishness to follow. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, I have mentioned yesterday, I have mentioned today as well, this could be the reversal. See, what has happened here? After this reversal sign, we have seen a good rise. It has formed lower lows and now again showing a reversal sign. This should head for a reversal here. And that is why we can see this rise. Now, there is all the possibility that it can move towards 3.6 or in fact 3.66, 3.7. Now 3.7, 3.72 the strongest hurdle, and 3.8 is the ultimate one. If at all natural gas trades above 3.8, that's the reversal confirmation for the near term. Stochastic rising, MACD sharply bearish, RSI rising. So yes, 3.6 is a good level for you to take an entry. And that is why I say, if you see it is staying beyond 3.565, take a buy for 3.6, 3.66, and then 3.72 levels as the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 3.52 levels. When you see the higher price below 3.520, take a sell for 3.5, 3.48, and 3.45. Once natural gas trades below 3.4544 zone, stay bearish for 3.4, 3.66. This is the ultimate support. Any drop below 3.66 is a clear sign of a further correction. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the efforts. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.